What you get to keep and what goes away is really determined by the chapter of bankruptcy you file. Across all of the chapters, there are exemptions, and those include exemptions for a primary residence, a car, the tools of your trade, your household goods and furnishings, clothing, things like that are exempt. And so those things you're going to get to keep no matter what chapter you file. From there, it does really depend on the chapter. And at Chapter 7, anything that's not exempt is going to be sold by the trustee, and that money is going to be used to pay your creditors. So in a Chapter 7, you don't get to keep as much property. A Chapter 13 is somewhere in the middle because you are doing a plan process, and so you can negotiate with your creditors and potentially keep more property based on those negotiations, but you still have to make a certain amount of payment a month. You still have to you're still sort of stuck in this box where the trustee does have some control. In an 11, you can be a lot more creative. In a Chapter 11, it is conceivable that you could keep all of your property, whether it's exempt or not, as long as you restructure the debt into something that you can pay. So a lot of times we see people who are interested in a Chapter 11 because maybe they have multiple investment properties and they want to keep all of them. And at that point, it really becomes a matter of economics. What can you afford? What can we work out with your creditors? And frankly, what makes sense either for your business or for you as an individual?